Hello friends, today we are discussing about how to enter the unit in Excel. If you enter like this, it may be facing issue on when you calculating the sum. So let's see. If you put like this and put the formula that are not calculated you because like this type of entering the unit this cell as a use of a text format. So if use proper way to enter the unit in a cell, first you have to select the cell, then you have to click on format cells, customs, general, and put the unit that you want. Let's see. Enter the see that automatically put the unit in a cell. After that, you put the formula. The result that calculate the proper. So this is the right way to add the unit in a cell. Thank you.